Itong unang pagkakataon na magdaos ng Clinton Global Initiative sa labas ng Estados Unidos. Unang pangyayari din na magkaroon ng Clinton Global Initiatives Asia na ginanap sa Hong Kong. Ayon sa founder at dating Pangulo ng Amerika Bill Clinton, mahalaga ang Asia sa pagresolba ng problema ng global financial crisis. Sa gitna pa rin ng usapin sa edukasyon, energy, climate change, public health na siya ring agenda ng 2 araw na forum. Oportunidad din ito na makahanap ng solusyon sa kakayahan mula sa imbitadong mga leader sa rehiyon, kabilang na dito ang dating kaklase sa Georgetown University na si Pangulong Arroyo.
Someone I am especially proud of for her extraordinary leadership. I'm embarrassed to say this, my college classmate who looks 20 years younger than me, President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo of the Philippines. Make that 30 years.
Sa pagsisimula ng forum, agad naman ipinaabot ng Pangulo ang pagbati ng Pilipinas sa nominasyon ni Senator Hillary Clinton bilang U.S. Secretary of State sa ilalim ni President-elect Barack Obama.
First of all, Bill, let me congratulate you and Senator Hillary Clinton for being nominated as Secretary of State. As a woman, I'm very proud of her, and as your classmate, I'm looking forward to our working together so that our already strong relations between the U.S. and the Philippines will become even stronger.
Before we came out here, I asked her how the Philippines was doing. And she said, well, relatively speaking, we're doing very well. And she pointed out that she just got a very high credit rating in a recent credit survey, which is good, except everybody's is down.
As I was telling you earlier, the Philippines is doing relatively well in this global crisis, but that's small comfort to the average Filipino who feels higher prices for the food that he or she has to buy, for the gasoline that he or she has to buy. So therefore, one big challenge that we have to address is how the impact is on the poor and the ordinary Filipino. So it's very important for us to be able to make sure that the global crisis does not become a crisis in our country. But in order to do that, we need to have resources. And if we had not made hard choices several years ago to be able to raise the revenue, then we would not be able to address that challenge.
Kinilala rin ni Clinton ang determinasyon ni Pangulong Arroyo na isulong ang kapakanan ng mahihirap sa tulong ng business community.
They have all been a tremendous help in addressing the needs of the poor, but at the same time, we also expect the business sector not just to be a partner of government in philanthropic activities, but also in corporate citizenship, producing goods that are needed by the poor, producing with environmental technology, or in other words, addressing the triple bottom line, not only financial viability, but also social responsibility and environmental sustainability. And we're very glad to have many business groups in the Philippines that adhere to that mantra, doing well while doing good.
See why she gets so many votes? No,
Mahaba rin ang talakayan sa papel ng bawat bansa sa pagbalangka sa mga patakaran para labanan ng climate change, partikular na dito kung saan kukunin ang gagamitin pondo. Ang mga imbitadong kinatawan ng China, Japan at business leaders, kumbinsido na dapat ay may sariling inisyatibo ang mga bansa para balansihin ang kaunlaran at proteksyon ng kapaligiran. 18% kasi ng climate change ay dahil sa deforestation. Ayon kay Pangulong Arroyo, bagamat hindi kabilang ang Pilipinas sa mga bansang nagpapalala pa sa sitwasyon ng global warming, may pagkilos na rin ang Pilipinas para dito. Kasama na rito ang carbon credit mechanism. Nitong Hulyo ay pinangunahan ng Pangulo ang inaugurasyon sa kauna-unahan landfill gas to energy project sa bansa o ang waste to energy power plant sa Montalban. Ang proyekto batay sa Kyoto Protocol sa ilalim ng United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. 2005 na magsimula ang Clinton Global Initiative. Umabot na sa 200 milyong kataong natulungan mula sa mahigit 100 bansa. Para sa Philippine Broadcast Pool, Rock Ignacio, Hong Kong.